Hello, we are going to do an experiment and we are going to compare Skittles in warm water versus M&Ms in warm water. So I think it would probably be best with 2 plates, but I didn't have any plates here in my laboratory, surprisingly. But I do have 2 containers that are flat on the bottom, so I'm going to use that. And I have my Skittles, and I have my M&Ms, and I have my warm water. So I am going to, first thing, I like the fun size because it gives you like just the right amount. And I am going to spread them around the edge. Now what I do hope is that the liquid doesn't fall off the side. And let's put this under here so that you can see what happens a little clearer. Alright. Once I have the M&Ms organized the way that I like them, I'm going to pour about a 1/4 cup. So I have a little more than a 1/4 cup in here, but I'm just going to pour it so that it almost completely covers the M&Ms. It is pouring it into the side. Okay, so let's see what happens. I already see a little bit of action. Alright. Okay, so I'm going to gently put this one to the side. Take a look at what's happening with the M&Ms inside of the warm water. So when we conduct experiments, we need to make sure that we are recording observations. So some of my observations that I may write down is that the color is coming off. What's kind of neat is that using this container, they're kind of dripping off into the sides there, which is pretty cool. And the color is coming completely off. So it looks like white and clear around the edge and some, depending on the color. And then the blue dye, the green dye, the red dye, the yellow dye, or the brown dye is coming off. So that's a really cool observation. Alright everybody, now it's time to do the same thing, but with Skittles. So, do you think it's going to do the same thing? Do you predict it's going to do something different? So just like we did with the M&Ms, we're going to spread them out along the edge. You know, I have seen where some people do them in shapes and such. I saw somebody did one in a heart. Okay, so I have it organized kind of in a big rectangle. And I'm going to take my warm water and dump it again, just like I did with the M&Ms. I gotta pour slowly so it doesn't move my Skittles. Okay, here we go. Alright. Oh, I see some action with the purple Skittle and the red Skittle. They're all starting to have the colors dissolve a little, or emulsify, dissolve. That's dissolve, that's not emulsify. Wrong word. Into the warm water. So look at that. That looks beautiful. Now think to yourself, is this happening faster than the M&Ms? Okay, so about a minute has gone by since I paused the video, and really what's happened is just more color has come off. So, what do you think? What are your observations between the Skittles in the warm water and what I did before with the M&Ms in the warm water? What do you think? I want you to record your observations and be ready to share.